up? What's good, you guys? It's your girl Courtney B here, and I'm back with yet another video. Well, kinda. As y'all can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a little bit different. It is going to be a hair install video, but I am not going to be the one narrating it for today. As you guys can tell, today's going to be a my dad does my voiceover type video. I'm so excited for today's video because I have been wanting to get him on camera for such a long time, and yeah, today's going to be the day. Today's video is being sponsored by SUNBER Hair. A big thank you to SUNBER Hair for sending me this wig. I am so thankful for you guys partner up with me in the new year, okay? SUNBER Hair is nice enough to send your girl their 13x4 22-inch curly wig. I'll put all of the specs and everything you will need to know in the description box. Did my initial install in this video. I did wear the hair for about 5 days, almost up to a week. So I will put all of my in detailed thoughts in the description box down below as well. It does come with your standard 3 combs, adjustable strap in the back, and they do have a nice little pre-plucked hairline as well. Also some pre-made, pre-cut baby hairs, but you guys know I ended up doing my baby hair myself, and I also went back and did some more plucking. And this is how the lace looks up against my skin, a nice medium brown lace, and these are all things that came inside of my box. Now let's get into this install.
Today's Courtney's video is being sponsored by SUNBER Hair. I'm going to put the wig cap on it. Oh, now she's sticking them lips out like she do. All right, now she has the wig placed on her head. She's positioning it. She's going a little fast, but she's fluffing it. She's fluffing it up. All right, and she's making sure that it fits. That's right. Showing the utensils, showing the scissors. She gonna cut. What's she cut? Oh, she's gonna cut off the edges so that in preparation of fixing right around the edge when you can't tell the skin from where the hair goes. All right, she's cutting real thin. Got some clippers. Oh, and she has it perfectly cut for both of them. She's showing some type of solution of water, and now what's she doing? She kissing the bottle. She has some white stuff. That's the ball she was kissing. I forgot to get the name of it. But stuff in the black ball. Now she's mousse. Okay, she's putting a lot of the mousse on one side, taking her finger, taking her time to make sure it's perfectly smoothed out. All right, and then look how she's taking her finger, running down through with a little blue brush. All right, now she has another part. She looks like a band.
Okay, pause the video.
Pause. Okay, she has something in a pink bottle and something in a white bottle. She's rubbing on. She's rubbing all the way down to the end of the hair. Now, why is she going so fast? I don't know, but it's just speeding up or something. Okay, so it's speeding up. She's pulling her. She's pulling. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, she's pulling. Now, okay. She's pulling the hair, and man, the hair looks straight. Okay, she's brushing it down. All right, she's brushing the curls. Okay, then after the curls, she's brushing the same. Brush the other side. Okay, see what she's doing? She's making sure that side is right before she goes to the other side. Now she's putting some other stuff up on the screen. Look like it's, I can't tell what it was. She done moved up. Okay, I think because she's trying to get it a certain feel, she keeps running her hands through there. That's I'm guessing what that is. What that is? Oh, now she's playing with the curls at the end of it. All right, that's what makes it look nice there. Taking the band off, getting ready to try to reposition the band. Put it in another position. Brushing down. She's taking a whole lot of care to make sure that the edges blend in there. So you can't tell, where the wig begins and where it ends there. Yeah, okay. Now she's posing, praise the Lord. Okay, and here she go. All right, she has it. She put it back, showing how excellent. That's what I'm trying to say. How excellent it is. How she had. Now she's putting a hot curl on it. Okay. She brushed a hot comb. Used to be curlers, a curling comb. Now she's styling it. Got one side laying down flat, the other side fluffed up, and the part on the side flipping across the top of her head. Now, okay, she's brushing down the other side, getting the texture just right. Okay, then now she's styling it, working on the edge again, getting that little baby hair. That's what it is, little baby hair. Now the edges, the one they slick down and make it curl. There you go. Okay, make it curl. All right, gives it that natural look. Yeah, that natural look. Then she make a little curly sideburn and go. All of that is the wig like that. That's not a natural hair. That's the wig like that. That's awesome. Boy, that's awesome. Okay. Now she brushed it again. She's trying to make sure it blends in perfectly. Spray it with some spray. What kind it is? Oh, there it is. Well, that could be it. All right, she's putting look like a little makeup like on it. I don't know, water. Something it's a color. Oh, there it is. Something that blends it in. Wow. Oh man. Awesome, you can't tell. Okay, she patted it down. Nobody patted it, just patted it down a little bit like this. You move on this, okay? Right, then she's slinging it. That's what you tell it's all right. It don't sling loose. Yeah, all right. Looks like she's almost spinning up. There it is, Courtney B. There you go, girl. Look how natural it looks. Look how it just falls down with her hand, run her finger through her hair. There you go. Now, come on, that it?